Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca and I have my lucky bag unboxing. So excited! Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. If you're new, I really hope you subscribe because I don't know, I'm fun. All right, so lucky bags. Let me just preface this because I know there's going to be some skippers and they're just going to be like, show me what you got and I'll put the timestamp. So lucky bags, if you're not familiar, are a Japanese custom, and I forget the official name. It's sort of this like grab bag, right? A mystery bag. And so BEAUTYLISH does the day after Christmas, the 26th of December, they release their lucky bags, and there is a regular size lucky bag and an XL lucky bag. You can choose, you can share what shades, like are you in a light medium range, are you dark? There was a Jeffree Star exclusive choice of bags this year, which only included Jeffree Star merchandise. I chose a regular lucky bag. I wanted an XL, but there was a problem. I love BEAUTYLISH. BEAUTYLISH has excellent customer service. I love that they do these lucky bags. One year I did get an XL. I know that customers have a real hard time though with feeling left out of things when it's kind of this almost like a lottery system. So apparently the link wasn't working, and unless you had the launch app, which is their app for products that are launching, you weren't able to log on and get your bag. So I learned this the hard way, and by the time I was looking around and going, why can't I log on? They sent me the early access link, but nothing's working. And then sure enough, by the time I was able to access it through the app, all the bags, all the XL bags were gone. And then we were just left with regulars. So it is kind of one of those things where if you show up to a raffle or a lottery or something and they're out of tickets or you didn't win from the drawing, I mean, that's the whole point of it. It's luck, it's fun, it's chance. But when it feels like there is a technical glitch that sort of made the playing field less fair, then it's like, so I get it. I'm gonna dig in. UPS, or excuse me, FedEx literally just dropped this off. I wasn't even planning on filming today, so I just kind of put in a memory card, popped in front of my camera. My hair's a little rough, but that's okay, right? All right, there it is. And they featured an artist that did all their artwork for the lucky bags this year. And maybe it says, all right, they are a Japanese custom. Oh, calligraphy by Ao Yamaguchi. And maybe it's AOE. So the Japanese character on this year's lucky bag means dawn or daybreak and symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. So I don't know what's in this. They were not able to give any kind of preview. I don't think they know what's going to be in them. I think they have a reserved inventory that'll be like, oh, okay, let's use these for lucky bags. There's been some complaints in the past that some products for lucky bags are discontinued or marked down merchandise. I think, okay, so this was $75 and I'm guaranteed $150 worth of merchandise or more. I think for the XL, it's $100 or $150, and then you get $300 worth. So this is new. I don't think we've ever actually had a bag. So this is a clear, or maybe this is part of my thing. This is part of my thing. Units. I love units. I have their brushes. Units are very affordable on BEAUTYLISH, and they are makeup brushes, and I love it. So this is cool. A clear makeup bag. I dig that. Okay, here we go. So this could be skincare. This could be cosmetics. This could be anything from the BEAUTYLISH website. And I already see a Good Molecules item. Also, if there's anything in here that I don't think is worth me keeping because I might have something similar or I got it from PR. I'm not going to swatch it or open it. I'm going to set it aside for a giveaway. What is this from Good Molecules? The pineapple exfoliating powder. Yes, yes. I've always been interested in this. I have not tried it. That's a lot. Dispense a teaspoon of powder into palms. Use up to 4 times a week. Kiwi, fruit, pineapple, silk powder, rice. Ooh. I love the touch of rice powder, so I'm wondering if that's what this is kind of like. So Good Molecules is very affordable, so I'm already a little skeptical. Like, okay, Beautylish, you started kind of low end. What do you got for me? This is generous. Good Molecules is awesome. Sustainable ingredients, truth in labeling, awesome. Okay, reaching in here. Cover FX, custom enhancer drops. Okay, I got rose gold. Now, I love Cover FX and I love these enhancer drops, but I will not open the container because I have very similar products like this, and FYI, I saw a bunch of these at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. Darn. I'll put on the screen though what they normally retail for. These are beautiful. These are beautiful to add in your foundation. Your primer, you can put it on as highlight. They are beautiful. Cover FX kind of started the whole, well, I'm sure they weren't the first, but they seem to be the first ones really with a high profile of creating the drop-ins. That was like a couple years ago. Okay. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay, I'm excited about this. A Sonia G makeup brush. Oh, I have been dying to try Sonia G. So let's see here. This is the classic crease. This is made in Japan. How appropriate for a lucky bag. Mel Thompson, a bunch of people love these Sonia G brushes, and I have not splurged yet. They're not crazy expensive, but they're not cheap. But yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. Oh. Okay. Oh, did I just like, do you ever do that where you like hit your lashes and then they just kind of clump together from mascara? Okay. And this is a, oh, okay. This is Jouer. This is the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm, which I really like. I think these retail for $20. This is the shade Poppy. Oh, that is cute. The Shine Balms from Jouer are really nice. I have Rose and I think, is it Amaryllis? And they're beautiful. Not, is it Amaryllis? They're lovely. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that because I have so many, but, and we love Jouer. And the last thing in here, you guys, okay, this might be the coolest because I normally would not buy this for myself, considering I am a mostly drugstore channel, but sometimes I do get some stuff for, you know, comparison. So this is a Charlotte Tilbury palette. This is the Luxury Palette of Pops color-coded eyeshadows. So I'm not familiar with these. I don't remember what collection these are from, what season they're from. So I will look them up to see if, oh, you know, were they on the way out? Or are these kind of fun? But that looks gorgeous. I'm going to play with these. They look like they're all a chrome. Let's dig in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are beautiful. What shades? Dazzling Diamonds. And let's see, what's this last one? Oh yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's incredible. I see why people like that. That's incredible. Okay. Okay. Huh. That's nice. This is 55, 59, I think. So we definitely, I think we hit the 100 and I'm not sure if we got the 150. I bet we just got the $150 mark. I will tally it up and see. So I'm sure if you're someone who just wants to scour to see who got what, thanks for stopping by. And also, if you come here for drugstore and stuff, I totally understand if you skip this or you haven't even gotten this far, because it's not your thing. But I love this kind of stuff. So this is part of my love of makeup. And it's always a treat. I didn't get one last year, but every now and then I treat myself. I'll leave all links below. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.